Welcome to Stride University. We're going to continue our discussion on email marketing. Specifically, a lot of customers that are coming into our system have a previous emailing list that they want to keep, and we want you to be able to keep them. So what we need to do is go into your mailing list and upload new contacts there, and we can do that through a spreadsheet upload. So I'm in the email marketing module. We're going to go into mailing lists and then mailing lists, and this will bring up a kind of a view of all of the different mailing lists that we have for our different email marketing campaigns that we do. Today I want to import into my newsletter mailing list, but I want to import it from an Excel file. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Over here, you can import contacts, but this is going to be from contacts that are in the system already. So maybe you have some people on your mailing list that aren't contacts, and this is where we're at. So I'm going to hop into the newsletter. I'm going to come into recipients, and then again we want to upload through a file, like an Excel file. So I'm going to go to favorites and import records. Now in here we can get a template for importing our mailing list contacts. So I can go ahead and click on that, and it will actually bring up an Excel file template. Now as I pull this in, it's going to be a little bit goofy, so I'm going to move my screen up so that you can see my whole Excel file here. But there we go. So on import, this external ID will be created. So unless you have an external ID that you want to assign to all of your people on the mailing list, I would just leave this blank. Company name is optional. You don't have to have a company name, so I'm going to pull that off. Country is also optional. So again, I would just default to leaving that off. But we do need to specify the mailing list that we want these people to be uploaded to. So I want them to be uploaded to our newsletter mailing list. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, and now I can exit out of that. I'll bring you back down here so you can see better, and then I'm going to go ahead and upload my file. And I'm going to navigate and choose the file that I want to use. And once I've selected that from my file explorer, it'll pop into here and say, it'll give me some dialogues to upload. So if you remember from our Excel file, there we had an external ID column, we had a name column, a company name column, an email column, a country, and a mailing list. So since I left the country blank, you can just deselect that and it won't import the country. You can deselect that or leave it blank. And then I just want to upload their name and their email and the mailing list they're going to. I like to test because it'll throw any of the codes and it'll tell me what happened wrong. Everything seems valid, so from here I can just import that. And now you can see I've got more people in that mailing list. They were already there, so I've just duplicated that from before, but those new people I've added to my mailing list. So now it'll tell me how many people are in that mailing list, and that we'll get that email. So that's a quick way to upload from outside sources into your mailing list within Stride Retail. And as always, we'd love to hear from you. So if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks.